Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I am going to share the resource material of English Literature Class 4 Week 3. The novel is The Railway Children. As you know, this week we are going to do chapter number 2. But before that, let's have a brief recap of the previous chapter. Chapter number 1, The Beginning of Things. Roberta, Peter, and Phyllis lived with their father and mother in London. Their parents were very loving and caring towards them. Their father was a very jovial means cheerful, always happy, jolly person. Their father was a very jovial man and never got angry. The children had everything they needed. They were living a very happy life with their family. Their mother was a housewife, while their father was a government servant. One night, two unexpected gentlemen came to the house. The two men and their father went into a room to talk. They talked for a long time, and their father's voice became louder and louder. He sounded angry. Soon after, their father left the house with the two men. The children were worried if there was any bad news. Their mother informed them that their father had to go away on some urgent business. Everything was horrid. Horrid means horrible, extremely bad, or unpleasant. Everything was horrid after their father left them. After a few weeks, they moved to the countryside. They lived in a little house near a railway station, and their house called Three Chimneys. Students, this week you are going to read aloud complete chapter number 2, at least 5 times. Reading of chapter 2 and listening of the CD will be done. You can also watch YouTube video of chapter number 2 which has already been shared on the WhatsApp group. I will share it again. Underline difficult words and enter them in my vocabulary bank along with their meanings. Use any 5 words to make sentences. Parents, you can encourage loud reading, assisting where required. Parents can ask their child to tell the theme of chapter number 2 orally. Theme means main idea or central idea. Let's recap chapter number 2 now. I hope you have read chapter number 2 5 times at least and underlined the difficult words and have checked their meanings in the dictionary. Summary of chapter number 2. Their new house stood in a field near the top of a hill. There was a railway line and a tunnel at the bottom of the hill. They had a breakfast together and helped their mother to unpack and arrange everything in the rooms. Late in the afternoon, Bobby, Peter, and Phyllis decided to go and see the railway lines. They explored the area and enjoyed. The children stopped going to school. Their mother wrote stories to provide food on the table. They became very poor, so mother was writing the stories because she was the only earning member of the family now. As you know, their father had left for doing some important business and he is not sending any money anymore. During rainy days, the house was very cold. They couldn't have a fire because their mother said that they cannot afford the coal because it was very expensive and they were very poor. Peter had an idea and decided to take some coal from the railway station yard. Bobby and Phyllis joined in to help Peter to carry the coal up to the house. The station master caught Peter stealing coal at the station. Bobby and Phyllis also admitted helping Peter to take the coal. Peter reasoned that he was only taking them and not stealing. The station master pitied. Pitied means to be sympathetic, kind towards someone. The station master pitied Bobby, Peter, and Phyllis and let them go with a reminder not to repeat their act again. The children realized that what they did was wrong and did not steal again. Students, here is a picture of a railway station. We can see the railway lines. We can see a train, and over here there is a station, railway station building. The written work. The only written work you have to do this week is you have to write the meanings and make sentences of the following 6 words in your own words. The first word is lit. The second word is explore. The third word is expensive. The fourth word is tunnel. The fifth word is grabbed. And the sixth word is pile. Find these words in the novel chapter number 2 and write their meanings and make sentences. Do this work on loose sheet. You can send me a picture of this loose sheet. Good luck for this week's work. Allah Hafiz.